what's up foodies, and welcome to Moroccan Food Tour Cooking Show. And today we're making Bissara, a traditional Moroccan soup, and we're making it two different ways. So Bissara is usually a fava bean soup or green peas soup or a mix of both. So Bissara is very popular when it's super cold in the winter time. It warms you up. You have breakfast with it and you're good to go. Those are dried fava beans and dried green peas that you can find in any grocery store. So since the green peas will need more time to be done, I will use the pressure cooker, and for the fava beans I'm just using a regular pan. This is a very quick and very easy recipe to do. So I put 1 cup of the fava beans in there and 1 cup of the green peas in here. With the same measuring cup, I'll pour the same quantity of water in there and in the fava beans as well. Salt, cumin, garlic. I will put 2 big fatty cloves in each one. Olive oil, of course. So this is gonna go on top of the stove until fully tender, falling apart. Alright, so my 2 bissaras had been cooking for 40 minutes. And this is how it looks like. Actually, the fava bean one had been very dry, so I had to add more water. So I ended up with adding 4 glasses in this one. And in this one, I added only 1 glass of water. Depends. If you like the texture, you can just crush it with some, like a fork or something. But if you want it very light, the blender is the go-to thing. So after tasting, I need to adjust. So I'll add more chili powder, more cumin, more salt, and then a little hint of sweet smoked paprika and a little olive oil dip. So we'll bring that to boil on the stove. So same thing here again. And adjust the spices. Hit more salt, hit a little bit cumin in there, a hint of sweet smoked paprika. Same thing in both of them. As I told you, you can do like a mixture of both the green peas and the fava bean. And a little chili powder. Perfect. So to the stove top until boiling. I'll finish up my 2 soups again with more olive oil, because you know, Bissara and olive oil goes very hand to hand. A little bit of chili powder, and I have here some dried oregano just for the earthiness of it. Yes, that's perfectly perfect. All right, yeah, here we are, 2 different Moroccan soups, a green peas one and a fava bean one, both of them called Bissara. You can mix them up and you can make either 1 or 2 mix together. All right, let's give it a taste. Awesome. Perfect. And then here you have it, a very rich and very simple recipe that you can make at home. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Try to make it at home and send us pictures on Instagram. By the way, follow us on Instagram, a lot of stuff are happening there.